Please check in any previous videos. Next one is very common question is service desk. Question is what is service desk? What is service desk? Okay. Second one is okay. What is service desk? So next one is what is service desk analysis? What is service desk analysis? Spelling is little different. Okay. Analysis. I am typing differently. Analyst. Okay, don't say this answer, guys. The person who conducts analysis. No, sir. Put a service desk. No. Analyst. What is service desk? Analyst. You got it out. Analyst. Yeah, you can tell from here also what is service desk analyst. Provided technical support to customers and employees. Already we discussed. Employees means internal and customers means the client people. Okay, we are service provider. There are utilizing our services. So that company is a customers. Our employees also utilizing requirement is there. That is employees. Okay. In some companies, you handle technology duties such as software installations, troubleshooting, maintenance, computer health. You respond to the phone calls, emails, live chats, other communications. Just to know. Okay. So what are the skills requirement? Right? Service desk analyst. This is a basic part only. This is a basic part. Depends upon the technology. The technological base references will change. Your project is based on the SAP. Then you have to know the basic SAP related kind of stuff. What are the essential skills for a Coursera? From Coursera it is. What are the essential skills requirement for this service desk analysis? Basic computer skills is required compulsory. Ability to do the customer support means your clients are there. So client queries, critical expectations are there, like a cloud computing or a servers, or maybe a networking related, or maybe a hardware related. Depends upon your technical expectation. Your work level is different. Okay. It does not mean like a level 2 guy does not deal with a server, or a level 2 guy does not deal with a cloud. It is not like that. It is a basically what is the service and what is the client, what service client is utilizing, what project it is, what client connectivity it is. Okay, so that is which technology you are involved in as a service desk person. Okay, it is not always a networking. Does not mean there is no networking also. So here we are giving a training mainly for the basics, the basic stuff. Okay, to understand basic things. Okay, so if you improve your skills, then your skill based support. Okay, including application support also there. So terminology is important. So don't. This is not for like in interview we don't discuss that. So general technical and system expertise, computer skills, customer support, problem solving and troubleshooting abilities, good communication, time management, timely teamwork and collaborations. Okay, so discuss with the people or maybe um, so coordinate with your employees. This is talking about a help desk analyst. So this is a trustful or not? So is this a call center? So questions, just if you type like this, you get a lot of questions also. So what are the three qualities of a good employee? Patience, empathy, active listening. This is also a very important question, guys. Active listening, sense of urgency, good interpretation skills, well organized, speed, accuracy, creativity, and flexibility. I will tell you one simple example. Qualities, and here it is, say speed and accuracies. Okay, so some people think, you know, just general example I'm telling, not in a technical manner. I'm telling a very general example. You know, people know how to ride a bike, right? Now, what I have done, so the speed, if I maintain very good speed, so that is a thing is like people, that is the meaning of knowing how to ride a bike. Okay. So some people tell if you go slow, then that is the main important to save your life. So you don't hit anyone. If you go speed, you will get definitely hit someone. But in real time, you see, some people go very fast, but they never hit anyone. They don't harm anyone. Some people will go very slow. They will make more damage sometimes. It does not mean which one is correct. Okay, like a slow is correct or a speed is correct. It does not mean. Important is you have to know how to control yourself to drive and do not damage others' properties. Other trying to say it is you understand an issues. Okay, so patience means like it is not a slow down kind of stuff. You have to understand exactly what happened with that one. So then you can able to listen to the customers. Your patience is to understand the issues. Okay, understanding while understanding you have to interpret some questions. You have to ask some questions. Is this a scenario? This is a scenario. So make it more clear, and then we can able to fix it as speed as you can able to do it. Otherwise, you have to search for a solution. What is the issue? What and again it is become big headache. Okay, so that is three qualities. You're all good listeners. Whether you listen or not, you never speak again. Okay, you don't speak, you don't questions. Active listening means you listen, you got a doubt or you have expressed something, so you want to say something in between. So that is called active listening. Good listening is different. Active listening is different. Do you understand urgency of it? Okay. So you understand an issue, you can able to fix the issues immediately once you are notified an issue like that. Okay. You have to compare with your vision help desk. Okay. Service desk jobs. So here it is also given some information. Everything I'm not writing, just only. So customer comes first, business have a business awareness, adapted time management, pay attention to the details, collaboration with the detail others, be patient, be willing to learn under stress. So these are some qualities. Same thing only. Qualities. So does not mean help desk and service desk is not much difference, guys. Help desk is a part of service desk. In service desk, levels are there. So like a level 0. I think I told this one, level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay, this is a different type of service desk levels. First one is like it is a kind of help desk only. Okay, it's like a initial support, giving initial support, ticket creation, okay, ticket management, ticket creations, kind of stuff, giving support to the customer. Supporting means giving some ideas to like how to check it, how to resolve it, kind of stuff. Very basic level. Okay, so ticket management, escalating tickets. Escalate tickets, escalations you can do. Okay, yeah, basic support is there. Okay, it's a part of service desk only, mainly it's part of service desk. So overall knowledge is required. For example, you are working a common service desk, working a common service desk. Okay, common service desk. Like I need to know what is hardware related, networking related, Outlook related, kind of stuff. Okay. So level 1 is a specific technical support. It is a particular a specific technical part. Okay. So why we are worrying? We can simply say this is basic service desk levels, basic help desk resolutions, help desk service desk delivery, in-depth technical knowledge, in-depth technical support, export, product and service support, outside support for problems not supported by organization, kind of stuff. Means working with the other organization, kind of stuff. This is also enough to know. Okay. So what is level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3? So differences. So you have to search, guys, you have to question yourself what it is, what it is, what it is, what it is, kind of stuff. Then only we can able to understand. So it is support, in-house technical, outsourcing technical support, professional service and customer services, big story, how it is their infrastructure connected, type, level 0, self desk and service desk, technical support, export kind of stuff, it is given, outside support. So L0 is a FAQs, products, documents, blogs, sports, service manual, extra. Help desk or service desk, support for basic issues, non-balance and service requests. So mostly you are eligible for L1 because you're trained, you have a knowledge on it. Yeah.
As yet, none.
Any? Sasser Pakra. Okay. So level 2 incidents need special technical knowledge and expertise. For example, a server engineer is there. He knows how to deal with a server kind of stuff. So, okay. So he's the only server related. So he is expert in the server related. So he's a service level 2 in the server related. And the networking guy. So I know what has happened, networking related, VPN related, everything I'm checking. So I'm the service level 2. I'm a service level 2 in a technical support. Okay. So for example, I'm a server level. I have to set up a server. There is server issues, migrations, creation kind of stuff is there. Three. Okay. So like that it will be there. So yesterday you have learned already basics, some supporting skills also, how the environment, how portals are look like. Okay, that is the point. Yeah, why I'm telling this much big story is the first question is already I told what is service desk and what is a service desk analyst. What are the service desk responsibilities? What is the different skill sets requirement for a service desk? Three qualities of a service are some qualities of a help desk employees. Help desk and service desk differences. These are the most common questions. So guys, type like already know this one. So Latif take notes. Already I shared this link to you guys. Please check it. Otherwise, I will share it again. It is not opening now. So yeah, you can copy from the chat box. I am putting in chat box. Okay. So this is about what is service desk from Guru 99. 25 questions for a service desk and help desk related basic questions. Okay. Next one is service operations. This will tell you what is an event, alert, incident. Okay. What is incident? Yesterday we have seen incidents, right? Incident, service request, problems, alerts. We have seen already. I told, but we have seen. So this is what is service desk. What is a service desk? Is a first single point of contact. Okay, it plays a vital role in a customer satisfaction. It coordinates activities between end user and IT service provider team. It also won a logged request ensure closer to these things. Yeah, I've given already what is service desk utility to. So there I have showed what are the service desk will do. Okay. Here a type of service desk. Mainly I have taken this information. Yeah, I called your name also. Okay. This is for us service operations. incident, log incident, classify incident, diagnosis, solve. Okay, so don't trust more, and there is a certain links also there. When you have a time, just read it once. It is very easy to read. It is under service operations. This is service desk basic questions. This is service desk labels also given here. What are the service desk? Their tires, okay, and network connectivity troubleshooting, hardware troubleshooting, remote desktop related issues. What is SOP kind of stuff? Also given. Okay, just these are the things like a guarantee question is what is service desk? Okay, even after our starting, what is service desk question is most common. What is service desk? Use of service desk, that is initial support, understanding customer issues, okay, creation of a ticket, resolving customer related issues, okay, customer requirement, service requirement is then a service request, change management, okay, creating a ticket, managing ticket, follow up the ticket, close the ticket. These are all a use of service desk or roles of service desk. Use or a roles. I'm not writing already. I have given that service desk thing. Okay. Initial support, understanding customer requirement or a customer issues. Start with the initial support. Understand customer requirement. Understand customer requirement and customer issues. If you got any issues, then understand what happened to the customers. Manage, create, and manage. Yesterday I have seen how to create a tickets, right? So how to manage the ticket. Okay, create, manage ticket. Okay, and managing SLAs. I hope you already told what is SLA. Otherwise, I will tell again once more. Okay, so managing SLAs, tickets. So what type of tickets? Like a incident type of tickets, service request type for tickets, tickets from alerts or alarms kind of stuff. Managing SLAs. It improves customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction. Somewhere I've written that one like this. Okay. Customer satisfaction and closes. Okay. These are different service thing. It may have a monitoring. Of course, there is things are there. Service request changes. So I've written one few to understand what is the, okay. What service desk analysis? What is the service desk analysis? Essential skills for a service desk. Three qualities, five qualities. Look at here. Difference between incident and service request. What is the what are the tools you use in a or what are the tools you see like VMC, Elix, Fresh Services, Zoho, or like Zoom means Service Now, that kind of stuff. This is also one of the important question, guys. Difference between incident and a service request. Yes, incident means anything is down or not functioning. The business is got affected by something is happened. So that is incident. Unknown root cause of one or more incident, that is problem. That is a problem. What is incident? Unplanned interruption. IT services incident. What is service request? Standard change request from the customer or asking an information or asking access permissions. Like I want to access printer, then I will define organization printer. Then I need to access printer. So if they give a printer access, then I will get a printer access. So when I start coming to the office, first of all I have to get the Wi-Fi password. Right? I'm connected to my laptop. Get the Wi-Fi
Sir,
password.
your voice is not audible, sir.
Okay. Now are you audible? Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Maharani Kumari also came. Okay. Okay, guys. See, that is the difference between service desk and sorry, incident and service desk. So different ways of questions also. Some are not even a direct part. Incident and service desk differences. Most common question it is. Tools you know in the service desk. Service desk and incident differences. Service desk and incident. Okay. What is a service desk? What is a service? What is service desk and what is incident? Incident in the service desk, people dealing with the incidents, fallens, okay, service request, changes, alerts, events, kind of stuff. But service desk is a single point of contact between your users and the customers or IT employees and the customers. Service desk is responsibilities and its process. Already I tell what is an ITL, sympathy and empathy kind of stuff, and IT infrastructure related questions. So this is what is the service desk analysis. You are a service desk analyst and you have a call from annoying client. What challenges you face? Okay. Difference between networking and service desk. Again, networking is it's a networking only. So we connected devices. Devices will communicate each other. We are connecting to internet. Then devices will get a internet. So all this part is set. Technology is a networking technology. Service desk is to support the customer and make sure that the infrastructure runs well and without any issues. Any issues occur, so you have to go and fix it. Imagine that if you are a service this client call for an issue, it is cut here. So that is without. What is monitoring and ticketing? There is a question and also there is an answer. What is monitoring? Monitoring means monitor your infrastructure to find any issues occur. So immediately it will send an alert. Then we see the alert and we understand some issues occur in that particular position. Then we'll go and fix it. Immediately we raise the ticket on that particular issue. So the corresponding team will react, or maybe you have to react. Okay, guys, these are the first basic questions, general service desk based questions for your interview. Understand up to here? Hmm? Understanding? Are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next one is most of the time they'll ask networking based questions only. Last time some guy called me and asked me, sir, they are asking only what is service desk and why are you teaching all these things and like this basics. If they are asking basics, if they are asking only what is service desk in interview completed, of course that is also good, guys. Everything is your interviewer choice. If I'm an interviewer, I'm a interviewer. So what I will do, I will ask whatever I want to ask you a question. So guarantee like this is the list of questions. You must ask from these questions only. There is no rule. There is a no rule like that. Is an interviewer based on his requirement or maybe on his interest will ask. That is very simple, I guess. In some interviews, even I have seen, we tried in everything, including Python, DevOps, cloud, monitoring tools, ITL, servers, networking, Linux, hardware, everything we learned. We taught to the students. In interview, for one or two people, that he asked only personal questions. What are you doing? Where are you from? Do you from this college? Then who is your principal? Like that, these questions are. Is want to find how much stuff in you and the way of your communication, way of your able to approach, way of your reaction in that particular time. Okay, so in interview they can ask you anything. That's it. Practice like this, guys. First of all, about you, about your village, about your college. Okay, so start practicing like that. So try to speak aloud. Okay, try to speak loud means spoke outside. When we are in a childhood days, so you sitting in a room and then you open a book and you are very silent, then what mother, father will come and say, speak loudly, speak means read outside. Then you will get to understand, you will able to listen yourself and we will know that you are reading, you are not sleeping. Okay, so same thing, guys. That is what we are missing nowadays. People open the book or people open the laptop. No one knows what they are doing. Even you read really, you are reading, studying also. You cannot express. You don't get confidence. So that's what I'm trying to say. Networking basics. I am not going to stride, guys. I'm going to fully randomly. I will ask question. You tell an answer. What are the OSA layers? Tell me, guys, anyone, what are the OSA layers?
Layers.
Which layer?
So there are 7 layers:
Very good.
data link layer, physical layer,
Okay. Data link layer.
uh, physical layer, and transportation layer.
Network layer,
Session
transport
layer.
layer,
Okay. Which is
Presentation layer,
APSTNDP.
transport layer, presentation layers.
Okay, very good. But only thing guys, remember either top to bottom or bottom to top. Don't mixer is important. And that's why I'm trying APSTNDP. Okay. Of course, there is a different OS layer way of listening, but at least note down at S side APSNDP like that in when you are telling an answer, so you can recall it. If you keep doing it, so then you can able to easily you can tell anytime. Very good. Presentation
Station
layer. Session. Someone told transport also
and network layer.
and network layer. Okay. Each having different responsibilities. Network layer, layer 3, example router. Data link layer, hardware device, switch. Hub is a physical layer device. Network layer, mainly network layer dealing with IP addresses, logical addresses, that too, IP addresses, and routing protocols. Actually, routers and routing protocols, routing, so that directly I told IP addresses. This is dealing with your MAC address, LLC, comma MAC address, mainly MAC address. This is dealing with the bit stream, means physical connectivity. Data in the based on physical connectivity, bit stream. This is frame. So data out packet is frame. Bit stream. This is packet. Outcome is packet. Transport layer is dealing with the segmenting, numbering, and sequencing. Numbering, sequencing, segmenting, numbering, and sequencing. And one more is there, TCP, UDP, TCP, UDP, multiplexing, windowing, flow control, windowing. Actually, no need to tell everything, but I'm telling. Error correction. How error correction? If if destination does not send a packet, does not send an acknowledgement for a particular packet, so we will send the packet again. So you don't receive an acknowledgement from destination, so then you will send the corresponding packet again. So like that, error correction. Of course, this is error checking is there in the data link layer because of CRC, cyclic redundancy check. Session layer, it will create a session and it will maintain the session and terminate the session. So while you are telling session layer, it is very easy because 3 words only there. But it is very important in network communication. Presentation layer. What is presentation layer? Encoding, decoding, encode and decode. It will do encode and decode, encrypt and decrypt, encryption, decryption, compress and decompress. This works only on a application. It is dealing with a application like a web browsers. Okay. Web browser is an example. Applications, protocols, and port numbers are important. Applications like a web browsers, web servers, all are so many examples. Okay, guys. First of all, important is either top to bottom or bottom to top. Remember all the names. Practice. Protocol port numbers also important, but I'm not telling. Okay, but find out at least some common protocols and port numbers. I'm not writing anything. HTTP, HTTPS, FTP. Okay, like this list is there now already. I given that list. IP addresses. Difference between IPv4 and IPv6. What is IPv4? What is IPv6? Okay. What are the differences? Basic differences. IPv4 32-bit. IPv6 6. No one is speaking anything, nothing. Okay. Check what are the IP addresses. I am lost interest now. And IP address classes and ranges. This is a waste of time for me also. I'll show from here only. So how to check IP address? Everybody knows how to check IP address, right? How to check IP address? So in command prompt, IP config or IP config /all. How to check MAC address kind of stuff. MAC address is a get MAC or IP config /all. Both IP address and MAC address you can able to get it. In GUI mode, like go to ncpa cpl ncpa.cpl control panel. So and so double click on right click on adapter status details. So find out the IP address. Difference between IP config and IP config all. Okay. My laptop internet was not working. Show offline. How do you help me? So internet was not working. So why not working? Why internet is not working? Previous batch questions only. Previous to previous. So old batch questions it is. So my laptop was not working. Showing offline. How do you help me? So first of all, check the connectivity. Connectivity is there or not? Is it showing a cross mark or a globe symbol? Okay. Okay. That is a YouTube, but you can show you. So at screen, in the bottom of the screen, if no internet, then it shows a small globe symbol. It is showing in different ways. This is Wi-Fi disconnect like this. This is the globe symbol or like this. So you are not connected or no internet. That is no internet symbol. Okay. First of all, check no internet symbol. Then check the connectivity. ncpa.cpl. See, cross mark means no connectivity. No cross mark. It is good symbol. It is showing like a connected symbol. I connected to Wi-Fi. This is the wide one. I will show you one thing. Just look at properly, guys. There is a cross mark for a Ethernet, right? So can you see? This is a cross mark. I'm connecting a Ethernet connection here. I have here. So see this? Now it is connected. Cross mark means no connection. If it is connected, so definitely it will get a IP address. This IP it will get it from DHCP server, but it is a wrong IP address. It's a 169.254 means it got a IP address. Maybe now now it will get a, so you have to link series. You got an IP address, a subnet mask, default gateway, and this is DHCP DNS addresses. And also you can see here it is different subnet mask. Why? Because it is a subnetting network. Subnet it is. Okay, the concept I think I told, but check in not volume if you don't remember. See, this is a thing. Okay, if you remove the cable, it will show cross mark. Check no internet icon, activity icon, or I can go to control panel, check the connectivity, check IP address kind of stuff. IP address. Also do it. Okay, so connection is there, but IP address something is not coming. Okay, or maybe internet is not working. So it is check the router. Then check the your Wi-Fi router. So restart router may work. Okay, very important. Did you pay the bill? You don't pay the bill. If you don't pay the bill, internet will be disconnected. Internet will be disconnected. Okay, so compulsory you should know did you pay the bill or not. The first one. Okay, so first of all you have to pay the bill, then ask for internet. Okay, did you pay the bill? That is also important. Restart here. Check LED status on your Wi-Fi router. Okay, log compliant to your ISP, internet service provider. Compliant. Okay, so log complaint means price issue to what? That is a very important. Okay, have to check the IP address, router and router status, LED checking, cable checking. Guys, understanding?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. Reason for slow internet. Reason for a slow internet. So I'm getting a very low level internet, very slowly. Of course, your internet bandwidth is slow. Internet is slow only. Okay, your internet is slow. Automatic internet is slow. That's it. That's it. Bandwidth is slow. In some places, more number of connections are also there. So check your bandwidth. Your bandwidth. Check your internet speed. Next one, guys. How much speed it is? Either it is a 30 Mbps or 20 Mbps or 50 Mbps or 100 Mbps or 150 Mbps. Speed does not matter here, but still it is very slow. So check number of devices connected to, okay, number of devices are connected to your router. More number of devices, more board bandwidth utilization. So you feel slow internet speed generally. Check number of devices connected. Next, okay. All unnecessary apps, web browser apps, close all the unnecessary things. Okay. Here, internet is history. Then it is also improve your internet speed. Okay, of course, always rise point. ISP, that is important. Start your Wi-Fi router and your PC. PC means system. Okay, these are the some solutions you can able to do it. Yeah, what is subnet mask? You know what is subnet mask? Which divide a IP address into network portion and host portion. Routers and modems differences. Router is used to connect to the network. Modem is a modulator and demodulator which make you to connect it to your ISP. Through modem, you will get it connected. You may get a doubt, so are we using a modem separately? So for that one, we are not using modems generally for your home and office, small office networks. Home office, home office, small office kind of stuff. So we have a Wi-Fi router. The Wi-Fi router, the router itself act like a modem and as well as a column between router and hub. Router is a inter-networking device connected to our more devices together. Connecting to our more devices together, right? To our more networks together. But hub is a layer one device to connect devices in the LAN communication. Okay, so more number of devices you cannot connect it, but how, because of hub is a broadcasting domain. Hub and switches also they prepare for that one also. This is what is being to test connectivity between source and destination. One more I forget. Okay, no problem, but I remember what is the difference between TCP and UDP? Okay, full mark on HTTPS. How many classes you use? What is in the range? How many classes we are using? Only class 3 classes out of 5. We use class A, class B, class C. What is their ranges? Class A 0 to 127, class B 192 to 168. Sorry again. You are silent. I am getting sleepy. Okay. This time I try to write subnet mask also. Okay, in the class A, the first portion is network portion. In class B, first 2 portions are network portions. For a class C, Difference between IP address and MAC address. Difference between dynamic IP and static IP. Okay, we assign IP address manually, that is manual static IP. If you change network, okay, IP address. If you change network, IP address does not change automatically. Dynamic, we assign IP address automatically from DHCP server, the dynamic IP. Okay, so these things I will tell, we will take a break once. Okay, so difference between IP address and MAC address. IP address is a logical address. Then MAC address,
Physical.
MAC address, physical address. We assign IP address according to our logical network. Our logical network, we assign MAC address and MAC address assigned by whom? Manufacturer of MIC. So IP address, we have IPv4, which is 32-bit. You tell me.
IP address also the communication address.
IP address is main communication address. Very good. Not 8-bit array, 12 hexadecimal. Very good. So it is all communications by array with IP address only. If internet connection is not good, what to do? Okay. How to set up an IP address manually, or to flash IP address, IP config slash release removes automatic IP addresses. IP config remove get IP address from DHCP server. So that command will do get it. So of course bus, router, DNS, dynamic, static. We are done this different network IP address and IP address clarifications. Voice layer. What about TCP? What is port? What is T? So they ask this question: where modem is located? Where modem is located? First, we are all connected to a switch, or maybe we are connected directly to your router. In generally, this is my switch. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is like a router, and the devices are connected like this, either through Wi-Fi to router or wired through this switch or integrated switch. Router connected to modem, modem make you connected to internet. Okay, modem is placed before router. Modem is so now modems are built-in routers, so you don't have any separate router requirement. So
Sir,
these are the
modems are actually media converter.
what it is.
Media converter. This modems means
Mm.
yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Modem means modulator and demodulator. Two properties. First, it connects to your internet, to ISP, first of all. Like you want to get internet, someone send your details, your network information, your IP, your kind of stuff, like your username, password, and verify with your ISP. ISP will release the internet. So when you switch on your router, the modem part will try to connect to your ISP and verifies your identity and give the flow of internet from your outside to inside. Okay, that is a modem. So now modems are integrated part of your routers now. We have WAN connectivity. You take any router, there is a backside WAN connectivity is there. So you connect, so you'll get it. Okay, sorry, somewhere I went. Okay, so yeah, you once you are switch on, it's WAN through WAN connectivity. It reaches the ISP, verifies your identity, then internet will be supplied. Of course, modem. Why it is called as a modem? We do modulation, demodulation. In generally, I am communicating to one of other PC in my LAN network, so I don't require a modem there. Okay. When I'm trying to communicate outside of my network, so I have to communicate through modem only. What it is? Yeah, this part again I will discuss after a small break. I will also will tell what is Outlook, what is VPN, and other questions also today. Okay. Now take a break. Come back by 5:10.
Okay, sir.